It's Warren here from Headlesshost. Today I'm looking at pushing out our MCP server, um, but I thought I'd just give you a quick demo on how it sort of hangs together. This is my account here for the admin, and I've got this docs content site, and this site has two accounts. One account with one user, and this is this MCP account. So basically, that user can connect into this content site and update content. So what I'm going to do, it's got a single staging site and publish sites. So what I'll do is I'll just paste a prompt in to Claude, and it says, I want you to connect to the Headless host. Once connected, you should have access to a single content site, and in that content site, I want you to create a new page in the staging site called an MCP Server. This page will sit under a new heading in the navigation called AI. Once you have the page inserted, you can create the content. This content will be the documentation on the Headlesshost MCP Server. Can you also create a tools page that sits under the AI menu and lists all of the tools available on the Headlesshost API? So if we look at the staging site at the moment, you can see that there is no AI menu. It's just our regular API documentation. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so it's trying to connect using the ping, and it has managed to do that. Okay, so it only has access to the one content site. Right, so it's found the one that's called NextGen. This is the name here. It's looking at the configuration for the content site, so that means it's looking at all this, the staging sections and types, and it's looking at the navigation structure. The navigation in this is actually, I think maybe in the common, yeah, navigation here. So these links link onto pages. Okay, so it's trying to create the page at the moment. So it's creating the tools page first. Let's refresh this. Okay, it hasn't done it yet. Oh yeah, okay, so there's the two new pages, the MCP server and the tools page. So it's going to try to add content to this page first. Okay, it's already done the header. We'll go over to here. Okay, you can see that there is the pages now here. If we go to the MCP, okay, it's starting to write it. And you'll see the content is popping in as it's writing it. Not too sure what content type, what section type it's chosen. It may, I do have a, yeah, there is a markdown section type. It looks like it's a markdown with a header, and it looks like it's chosen that. That's interesting. Okay, it's still going through. Okay, it's finished with this page, and now it's onto the tools page. Okay, it's starting to create sections. So with this account, I haven't given it publish rights. So the workflow for me will be, it will come through here, and this agent, you can see in the logs, it's starting to do stuff. and then once I'm happy with the changes, I can click on publish, or it could publish it and I can approve it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's going through and creating all the tools one. Is going to be quite large because it's all the tools that are exposed on the API. I've just hit the limit on Claude. So what makes it quite easy on Headless Host is our structured content is very easy to read by an AI. If you have a look at some of the pages, actually, if we look in the API reference, you can sort of see what our structured content looks like, and it's pretty easy to read. So there's a collection of pages, and each page has a collection of sections. And these sections, when the UI sees a page header, it will just render what's in this section. So an agent finds this very easy to read, and basically with no training at all, it's managed to create these pages. That's it. Hopefully, I'll be releasing this soon. I'll stick it up on GitHub, and I'd love it if some people would give it a go. Thanks.